Good afternoon, students. Today I'll be telling you how to qualify in UPSC CDS exams. So let's start. UPSC CDS exam will be on 16th April 2023 on Sunday. Now you must have already filled forms for these exams. So all information related to exam, previous year question, answer key, cutoff marks and other information is given in UPSC site. So in case you want to know anything about these, you can go to UPSC site and you will get all information regarding CDS exams. Now, important topics in UPSC CDS syllabus. Now, in case time is less to prepare for CDS syllabus, you can learn the important topics first. Syllabus for English, General Knowledge and Mathematics is given now. Applicants must be conversant with CDS syllabus 2023 to excel in exam. 3 subjects are included in the syllabus are elementary, mathematics, English and general knowledge. Now English will have synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, jumbled sentences, reading comprehension, fill in the blanks, spotting errors, one word substitution, etc. Mathematics will have percentage, profit and loss, time and work, SI and CI, trigonometry, lines and angles, mensuration, etc. General knowledge will have current affairs, Indian history, polity, constitution, basic science, geography, etc. Preparation of these subjects are very important for the candidates who want to get the INA, IAFA and IMA posts after these exams. The CDS syllabus for OTA comprises general knowledge and English only. Now, accurate knowledge of syllabus will assist the candidate in formulating an effective strategy and a good plan for action for attempting these exams. Applicants must be thoroughly practicing for quantitative aptitude section to get the pace and accuracy to solve the question. The major topics of CDS maths syllabus are arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics and geometry. The other subtopics are number system, unitary method, percentages, L.C.M and H.C.F, rectangles, square, parallelogram, etc. There are only 2 subjects included in CDS OTA exam, which are English and general knowledge. Those who have applied for the Officer Training Academy post must check the complete subject-wise CDS syllabus to prepare effectively for exam. Now UPSC CDS syllabus and type of question asked in exam usually are same type over the years. That is, questions are repeated. Many questions are repeated. The general awareness syllabus has no restricted boundaries as it has the candidate's knowledge about the current happening and current affairs. So this paper may have the latest things happening in current affairs, and so there are very rare chance of any question repeating. So the questions from these sections are altered accordingly. The grammatical portion of English language requires consistent practice and dedicated efforts to crack this exam. The main topic of CDS English syllabus are fill in the blanks, reading comprehension, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, spotting errors, sentence improvement and correction, etc. candidate should well acquainted with all the topics of the CDS syllabus and do an effective study plan. They must go through this syllabus very minutely, and candidate should keep a printout of the complete syllabus while studying for every subject and start preparing all the topics, important topics with higher weightage such as reading comprehension, data interpretation, current affairs should get more focus because their weightage is more. Now, mathematics section in UPSC CDS syllabus such as trigonometry, percentage, SI, they are also very important because lots of questions are asked in this topics. There is no math section in CDS OTA. So those who have applied for Officer Training Academy will have to prepare for English and general knowledge test only. CDS syllabus for general knowledge. This section assesses the candidate's knowledge on current happenings in the world. The applicant need to be alert on current affairs and happening in the world. CDS syllabus for general knowledge. This includes current affairs, constitution, Indian history, polity, geography, general science, and defense-related news events. There are a total of 120 questions from section and carry 100 marks. Candidate should check important topics in the CDS syllabus, and some important topics are reading comprehension, as you know, already given in English, and maths. Still I repeat, synonyms, antonyms, mensuration, percentage, profit and loss, current affairs, history, geography, etc. These are important topics, so students should focus on these subjects. Now, for general knowledge paper, following will be important. In current affairs, news of important international and national summits, conferences, awards, sports related news, books and authors, etc. will be important. Political science will have Indian Constitution, fundamental rights and directive principles, powers of President and Prime Ministers and Ministers, constitutional bodies, Indian judiciary. Indian history will have ancient, medieval and modern India. Indian polity will have world, geography. Economic will consist of budget, 5-year plan, foreign trade, etc. In physics, topics like motion, force, unit, heat, electricity, temperature, etc. will be there. In chemistry, topics of organic, inorganic and physical and general chemistry will be there. In biology, topics of important disease, botany, zoology as well as human biology will be there. Defense related news. This is very important, and question in this section may be asked about important defense related topics like Army Day, Navy Day, recent developments, defense production in India, etc. So, in English syllabus will be as follows. So, fill in the blanks will be there, reading comprehension, vocabulary, sentence rearrangement, spotting error, sentence improvement or correction. CDS math syllabus that has been given. Now, still in arithmetic, number system, natural, integers, rational and real numbers, fundamental operations, subtraction, addition, division, multiplication. Unitary Method, percentage, time and work, simple and compound interest, time and distance, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, elementary number theory, composite and prime numbers, divisibility test, theorem of factorisation, factors and multi, Euclidean algorithm, law of algorithm and algorithmic tables, etc. Basic operation, remainder theorem, L.C.M. H.C.F, polynomial theorem. Quadratic equation, relation between roots and its coefficient, linear equation with two variables, set language and set notation, law of indices, conditional identities, rational expression, etc. All about sine, cos, tan with different values. Important angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Simple trigonometric identity like in trigonometry tables, heights and distance problem will be there. In geometry, plane and plane figures, lines, angles, important theorems like angle property based, parallel lines, congruency of triangle, median and altitude, same triangle, parallelogram, similar triangles, circles, rectangle, square, etc. In mensuration, area of circle, triangles, rectangle, squares, parallelogram, volume, surface area of cuboids, cones, cylinder, sphere, etc. Statistics, tabulation of statistical data, graphical representation of frequency, polygon bar graph, histograms, pie charts, measure of central tendency, etc. So how to prepare for CDS syllabus? It is important for candidates to prepare rightly for the exam to perform well. They must get acquainted with the latest CDS syllabus and exam pattern and must keep a copy of syllabus all the time. Formulate a strategy accordingly. Keep in mind the topic carrying the maximum weightage and weaknesses of candidates. They need to be consistently practicing CDS previous papers to assess their level of preparation and enhance it. Remember that there are many questions from previous papers which are repeated, so these becomes previous year papers becomes very important. They must keep on revising and already learned concept. They must do revision once and twice and maybe more if possible. Student will have to brush up the fundamentals to get developed and pace of the accuracy to solve the question papers within time. So solving question is important, but solving question quickly is very important, because you will always have pressure for time, and so try to do all questions in minimum time and do as fast as possible, keeping accuracy also. Now if preparation is done as given above, then there is all chances of candidates qualifying these exams. So good luck to all and thanks.